Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to update Canva to generate app-ready images for Webflow. Quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. First, open your Canva account on your preferred web browser. Navigate to the design you want to update. Click on the design to open it within the Canva editor. Once in the editor, look for the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the download button to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down, select the file type you want to use for your Webflow project. For web-ready images, choose either PNG or JPG. If your design includes transparent backgrounds, be sure to check the transparent background option if you select PNG. Next, set the dimensions of your image to meet Webflow's requirements. To do this, click on the resize option in the toolbar. Enter the desired width and height in pixels. After resizing, ensure that all elements of your design fit within the new dimensions. Once satisfied, click on the download button again. Your image will begin downloading to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Now, open your Webflow project in a new browser tab. In your Webflow project, navigate to the section where you want to upload the image. Click on that Add button to find the image component. Drag and drop the image component onto your canvas. Click the Choose Image button to upload your newly downloaded image. Select the image from your Downloads folder and click Open. Adjust the image properties as needed in Webflow. Check the image alignment, size, and any additional settings to ensure it fits seamlessly into your design. That's it. You have successfully updated your Canva design to generate app-ready images for Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.